Update, Alexa Ilacad, Kidi Estrada, Keray, and Waki. Magkakaroon sila ng concert pagkakaisa. Ito po ay gaganapin sa Oriental, Mindoro. Ngayong March 9 and 10, per Memorandum Circular number 24 of a year 2023. The launch of the Bagong Pilipinas campaign, which shall be part of a national government branding, is hereby ordered. Lahat po ng municipalities, as long as the government events, must use the logo per order. So, ayan po, abangan ang TIDELEX. Oriental Mindoro is a known Kakampink region and who voted overwhelmingly for Vice President Leni Robredo. However, regardless of one's political affiliation, an artist invitation and participation as event is not an endorsement of the national government but the celebration of the municipality event. Okay. We tend to forget the bigger issue, force and the branding by the government. The national government forces all the municipality to associate and all events to their. So, ayan, abangan March 9 and 10. Marami ang iba dito na hindi nakakaalam na may ganap ang TIDELEX 9 and 10. Kasi ang akala nila noon hindi ito confirm, pero ngayon nag-post na nga mismo ang TIDELEX admin. And this is true as a government employee. Ordered po yan na ngayon ginagamit namin yan sa mga communication letters namin. So, anong mangyayari nito? Kahit yung iba hindi naiintindihan, so malalaman yan. Basta ang importante is ang importante ay magkakaroon ng ganap ang TIDELEX sa March 9 and 10 sa Oriental, Mindoro.